Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete recordings on DirecTV Stream. Start by turning on your TV and opening the DirecTV Stream app. Make sure you are on the main home screen. Using your remote control, move to the main menu. From there, find and select My Library. This is where all your saved content and recordings are stored. Once you are inside My Library, go to All Recordings. You will now see a list of the shows and movies you have recorded. Use the arrow buttons on your remote to scroll through the list. When you find the show or movie you want to remove, highlight it so the program tile is selected. Now you have two ways to delete the recording. The first way is to press and hold the OK or Select button on your remote while the program tile is highlighted. Keep holding the button for a few seconds. A pop-up window will appear on your screen with different options. The second way is to press the right arrow on your remote while the program is highlighted. This will move the focus to a trash can icon next to the title. When the trash can icon is highlighted, press OK. After you choose either method, a confirmation window will appear. Select Delete or Yes to confirm that you want to remove the recording. The program will then be deleted from your library. Thanks for watching.